Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change the language in a Honda Fit Hybrid. First, start by turning on your car. Make sure the dashboard screen is active. The screen is the main control for the car's settings. Next, look for the settings icon on the screen. This icon usually looks like a gear or a wrench. It is often located on the home screen or in the main menu. Tap the icon to open the settings menu. Once you are in the settings menu, look for an option labeled System or General Settings. On some models, this option may be represented by a globe or a menu icon. Select this option to enter the system settings. Inside the system settings, find the option for language. On some screens, this may be written in Japanese. Tap this option to open the list of available languages. Scroll through the list until you find English. Select English from the list. The system may take a few seconds to apply the new language. Once it changes, all menus and settings should now appear in English. After changing the language, you can return to the main screen. You should now see that all text on the screen is in English. You can explore other settings if needed. Thanks for watching.